Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. My name is Shubham and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to cook something simple and soulful, hence today I'm going to prepare onion rice using parboiled variety of rice. So without further wasting any more time, let's dive into the recipe of how to prepare onion rice. The ingredients you'll require to prepare onion rice are 200 grams of parboiled rice, which is also called as Ukdi tandul in Marathi, 3 sliced onions, few pieces of sliced raisins, crushed black cardamom, 4 to 5 pieces of cloves. Moving on further, we'll require 2.5 glass of water. The ratio of water to rice should be 3:1 because this rice requires a lot of water to cook. Salt as per your taste. Last but not the least, 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of butter. Add the oil and butter and let them heat up for a while. Once they get heated up, add in the raisins, black cardamom and cloves. Saute them for 1 minute and then add in all the onions. Keep the flame on high heat and start sauteing the onions, and in this duration add in the salt. The salt will help in caramelizing the onions by dehydrating them out of all the moisture. Once the onions get caramelized, add in all the rice. Stir the rice for a minute or two and let it rest in that onion mixture. Once it starts developing a slightly golden brown color as seen in the clip, stir it and add in the water. If you want to make it a bit more spicy, you can add a pinch of red chili powder to this as well. Once you stir in everything together, let the rice cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Do not disturb it and cover it up with a lid. You may also require more water, hence what I recommend you is that add some water to the lid and let it all heat up. It is better that you add hot water to the rice rather than adding cold water. To know whether the rice is cooked or not, take a grain of rice in your hand and try to break it. If it breaks into several pieces, then the rice is cooked to perfection. This is one of my favorite rice dish and hence I thought of sharing it with you all. Please do try it at home. The reason why I use parboiled rice is because it's chunky and when it gets cooked, it absorbs all the flavors. So if you like this recipe, do follow the drill, that is like this video, do comment your thoughts and views about this recipe, share it with your family and friends, do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you soon on the next Scrumptious Wednesday. Until then, bye, take care, be safe, much love.